How to find your Ulta credit card account number. First, check your physical Ulta credit card. Some Ulta cards will have the account number printed on them. You'll find it right on the front if it's there. If you don't see it there, move on to your account statements. Whether you get statements in the mail or through email, your account number should be on each one. Keep in mind, though, some statements only show the last few digits for security. Another way is to log into your online Ulta credit card account. Just go to the official website, sign in, and your account number should be available in your profile or account details section. And if all else fails, you can always call Ulta credit card customer service. Just dial the number on the back of your card, and they'll help you out. They'll probably ask you a few questions to verify your identity before giving you your account number, so have your details ready. Thanks for watching.